Alright, you're never gonna believe this. I was in the bathroom. Sorry if that's too much information. Rat came out of the toilet. And, oh, it's still here. Hang on, I gotta be right back.
Hey, hey, I need your help. There are these kids chasing me. Oh man. And they're sticking me with coal and carrots and sticks. I'm just snow. I don't deserve this. Uh-oh. They're coming. I gotta go.
Hello? Is someone there? I fell off the space station. Call somebody. NASA? My mom?
Hello, you've won free Nitro. Please click this link. That is definitely not a virus to claim your prize.
4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42.
Hey folks, this is Borp Farble. I was filling in for Red Greensley on the Nightly News, but it appears I pressed some button on the desk and now it's just going. So we have to get to the news later. So sorry about that. You there? Are you there? Are you there?
Hey, you got any garbage? Any, banana peels, coffee filters, something like that? No? Alright, well, I'll be out of here.
Ah, hello. I'm Wismert the Wizzicle. What's a Wizzicle? I don't know either, but I do know that because you found me, you get to choose one of the following rewards. And number 1, you can have immortality. That means you'll never die. Number 2, you can have all the riches in the world and never think of money again. Or number 3, you can have a month of Discord Nitro. What will it be? Oh, the Nitro. Well, usually people choose. I have to look through my notes really quick here. The Nitro. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I just need your email, and I can send you a code. But it's so the Nitro, huh? Well, I guess it was on the list. Well, I'll be in contact, and I'm going to go rethink some things about this whole setup. Sorry, I just had to really double check. So the Discord Nitro. Okay, well, just thank you. All right, have a good one.